Founded in 2012, Boss Laser manufactures laser cutter, engraver, and marking machines. This 100% US-based family-run business has in fact expanded their footprint, having moved into their new 66,000 square foot facility. So let's learn more about Boss Laser.
Boss Laser launched in 2012, and we sell industrial grade fiber laser and CO2 laser cutting and engraving machines. We serve a wide array of clients, big businesses, small businesses, do-it-yourselfers. We support a pretty deep clientele with our machines and services.
Our clientele ranges from hobbyists with our entry-level series up to our FC series machines for more industrial type of work. We also recently added on our services model. So now we also provide the cutting and engraving of products made on the laser machine.
Boss Laser offers training on all of our products, ranging from our standard CO2 machines to our fiber engravers, as well as our fiber cutters. We customize training packages for our customers' needs.
If a client has a problem with their machine, it doesn't have to be a Boss Laser machine, but you can call us, and typically we can troubleshoot the machine over the phone.
Boss Laser is different from our competitors because we are the manufacturer of our product right here in Sanford, Florida. We also do more testing, and we stay on the cutting edge of all new technology. Investing in our customers as well as our employees is what makes Boss Laser superior.
10 years ago, Boss only had about 2 or 3 employees. We manage up to 60 employees currently. We continue to grow. We chose the City of Sanford mainly because the economic growth. Logistically, it's located in an amazing area. We've actually moved 4 times within Sanford, so that says a lot right there. We continue to push our research and development, so we're growing our machine technologies. We want to be faster, we want to be more precise. We continue to push our support. We're wanting to be able to outreach to our clients easier, whether it be remotely or being able to visit them on site. And so with that growth, I only see us, getting bigger. We're looking forward to what the future has for us.
For the future for Boss Laser, we have a lot of growth planned. For Q4, we have some exciting announcements that are coming out, as well as our new services and products. I would say in the next 3 to 5 years, you're going to see some very exciting stuff from Boss Laser.